Hello and welcome. I'm so excited you're here. This channel is designed to help intermediate English learners grow step by step with structure, motivation, and real progress. Starting this week, I'll be following a clear weekly rhythm to guide you through your learning journey. Here's how it works. Wednesdays are for structure. Each Wednesday, I'll introduce key phrases, ideas, and examples to help you build a strong foundation. Fridays are for development. We'll take what we learn on Wednesday and practice it through writing, speaking, and reflection. And on Fridays, you also get a bonus visual video, a short, motivating set of images to help you remember the phrases. Sundays are for bonus dialogues. These videos will show you how to use the phrases in real conversations, so you can hear them in action and feel more confident speaking. So even though the main uploads are on Wednesdays and Fridays, you actually get 4 videos every week. 1 on Wednesday, 2 on Friday practice plus visuals, 1 on Sunday bonus dialogue. This is the format I'll be following for the next few months, so you can always know what to expect and how to navigate the channel. Each week is a chapter. Each chapter builds on the last, and every video is designed to help you move forward step by step. Thank you for being here.